The JavaScript block in WotNot lets you run custom code right inside your chatbot flow for setting variables, running calculations, firing analytics events, or even rendering custom UI. In this video, we'll walk through 4 examples, all connected in a single bot flow. First, a quick look at the configuration panel. You choose where your code runs. Client means it runs on the user's device, their browser or phone. There's also an option to run your code asynchronously, so the bot keeps moving without waiting for the code to finish. Server means it runs on the back end. Below that is the code editor, where you write your snippet. Now let's get to the examples. Example 1. Setting a variable. The simplest use case, setting a variable from inside JavaScript. Here, we're storing the value 3.14 into a conversation variable called pi, using WotNot's built-in function wn.setConversationVariable. It's useful for setting defaults, storing constants like tax rates, or saving computed results for later use. Example 2. Calculation next. A quick calculation. Imagine your bot is helping a user figure out how much paint they need for a wall. We collect the length and width, then pass them into JavaScript using conversation length and conversation width. We wrap them in float point to read them as numbers, multiply them, and save the result back into a conversation variable called wall area. That's it. In the next message, your bot can share the calculated surface area directly with the user. No backend, no external tool. Example 3. Firing analytics events. Now, let's send data to Google Analytics, useful when you want to track user behavior inside your chatbot, like which questions users answer or how far they get in a flow. In this block, we configure GA4 with our measurement ID and fire a custom event called chatbot_interaction, passing parameters like the question and the user's answer. When the user reaches this block, the event fires automatically, and you can see it in the logs panel. Once your bot is embedded on your website where GA4 is live, the same event flows into your analytics dashboard for your team to track and analyze. Example 4. Rendering custom UI. And finally, the most advanced example, rendering a fully custom UI inside the chat window. This is from a real health questionnaire we built for Merck. After the quiz, the JavaScript block replaces the chat with a branded result page, the client's logo, buttons to download a PDF summary, or book an appointment with a doctor through Doctorlib. It's the kind of block that lets your chatbot deliver a richer, branded experience that goes way beyond standard chat bubbles. That's the JavaScript block in WotNot. From simple variable updates to fully custom UI, it gives you the flexibility to build exactly the experience your users need.